Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the new normal in logistics and transportation. As introduction, we may have to adjust to a new normal, meaning the new way of living, interaction with others and works, as long as the world has not been able to given a support of adequate vaccination. And the second, we are living in the time of without precedent, with the waste of demand and offered. Now we will take a look at the second part, which is before and post-corona. Before corona, as the 1970 developing country in the world exports the raw material with the higher cargo value. They have evolved and becoming the active participants in the 50 years involved with the logistics industry. This trend has caused a change in the size of container ship and differences between carrier, few ships, less ship but large in size. So after corona, which is post-corona, the permanent changes and new paradigm formed by the COVID-19 is digitalization and the technology advances and the application to make operation more efficient, added to environment consequences, which is carbon emission. Now we will take a look at the example of country new norms in logistics and transportation. For example, we will take a look at the country which is China. China provide parts of component, raw and processed material globally. So an instant automotive business were down more than 90% in China in February, and automaker manufacturer, which is Shanghai GM Wuling, quickly retooled its production system to produce medical face masks, which positively contribute to mitigating the COVID-19. At the same time, they can generate new revenues and gain a positive reputation for the company. As COVID-19 crisis has intensified the competition for valuable supply sources in certain industrial sector, including the electric vehicle (EV) production, the bargaining power has shifted from the OEMs to suppliers. As COVID-19 crisis has intensified the competition for valuable supply sources in certain industrial sector, including the electric vehicle (EV) production, the bargaining power has shifted from the OEMs to suppliers. So for the last part, which is important of integrating passenger and freight transport in new norms, there are three main points, which is planning, infrastructure capacity, and also the last one is vehicle and vessels. So for planning, the city planners must often consider passengers in the allocation of road and building space. We take a look at example, cities like Brussels and Hong Kong. They are providing more space for pedestrians and cyclists and prepare access to electrical vehicles after the pandemic COVID-19. The second one is the infrastructure capacity, which is the increasing dependence on our society on delivery goods. Also an opportunity to increase the investment in urban and rail infrastructure, transport centers, and etc. For example, Mumbai. Mumbai is one of the biggest ports and the port's most congested city. But what India can do is handle the flow of goods coming in and out of the ports. For example, goods are transported during the night using the online appointment, which is improved the truck turnaround by 18% and partially via rail. As conclusion, the corona crisis is an opportunity like no others for us to rethink our mobility system holistically. Some plan like EU recovery plan combine the repairing the damage brought the corona pandemic with the existing sustainability initiative, and while taking all forms of transport into consideration. Thank you.